everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the daily water requirement for a kidney stone patient. Passing a kidney stone is often described as one of the most painful experiences a person can have, but unfortunately, it's not always a one-time event. In about half of the persons who have had kidney stones once, stones can reappear within few years without preventive measures. The most important and simple measure to prevent formation of stone is to drink plenty of water. Drinking more water dilutes the solutes in the urine and prevents their sedimentation and stone formation. How much water is required for a kidney stone patient? Amount of water required varies in different individuals based on climate, person's occupation, and work. The general advice for normal adult with history of stone is to drink about 3 liters of water. But persons living in hot weather or who work outdoor in fields or who exercise and sweat significantly need to drink even more water because of significant loss of body water through sweating. To ensure that you are drinking enough water, measure the total volume of urine. It should be around 2 to 2.5 liters per day. Or just check the urine color, as it can suggest how much water you are drinking. If you drink enough water throughout the day, the urine will be diluted, clear and almost watery. Diluted urine suggests a low concentration of minerals which prevents stone formation. On the other hand, if the urine is dark yellow, this means that urine is concentrated because of inadequate fluid intake and therefore you need to drink more water. Which water to drink is a dilemma for many patients. But remember, to prevent formation of stone, the quantity of water is more important than the quality of water. An important note that patients with heart problems and renal failure should follow the advice of their specialist for their recommended water intake. What else can you drink besides water? Lemon and orange juices are high in citrates, which acts as an inhibitor to stone formation. So drinking few glasses of lemon juice with a spoon of honey is recommended. Carbonated drinks or soft drinks have caffeine, which is a diuretic, and so it dehydrates the body, making a person more prone to kidney stones. Also, these drinks contain phosphates, oxalates and sugar, all of which are linked to kidney stone formation.